Bonnie from Turtle Burger Crochet. Today we are making this keychain, lanyard, key fob, however you would like to call it. They are very quick and easy. The supplies you'll need is an H hook, some worsted weight yarn. This is white Red Heart Super Saver, and a 24mm key ring. I found these at Hobby Lobby in a pack in the jewelry section. You could use any recycled one though. So grab your supplies and let's get started. To begin, we're going to take our key ring and our yarn, and you want the part where you attach your key at the bottom. We're just going to put it through there and tie a knot. Okay, and we are going to weave this end in as we go. Okay, put your hook through the ring, yarn over, and bring up your yarn. Do a chain one. It is not going to count into your final stitch count. We're going to yarn over and make a half double crochet. We're going to do 5 of those. And the reason we're doing 5 is because that gives it a good foundation and enough room to weave in your end. Do 4 more. One, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1 more. Okay. From here, we're going to chain 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You couldn't do any amount of chains that you like. I just do 100 because it makes it a good length on me, but it's completely customizable. Okay, I am near the end of my 100 chains. I'll do 5 more. 1, 2, 4, and 100. Now you're going to take your chain, make sure it is not twisted. And we're going to, in the top of that very first half double crochet, we're just going to insert our hook there and make a slip knot. Now we're going to chain 1 and turn, and you're going to make 1 single crochet in each of your 100 chains. So I'll meet you back at the end of that. Okay, I'm getting near the end of my key lanyard necklace. So we'll just finish this up together. We have just done 100 single crochets into each of our chains. Now that we're at the end, whoops, split a little there. Here is my number 100. Okay, to finish off, we're just going to go into the top of this half double crochet, do a slip stitch, chain 1. Okay, we'll cut our yarn and fasten off, pull that through. Weave in this end across the top here, and you have your unique keychain necklace. I hope you enjoyed this free pattern. It will be on my blog site. I'll put a link down below, and if you make this, I would love to see it. Please give this video a like and hit the subscribe button. Bye.